Thank you. God bless you. Good people are rewarded.
Wait, is that Chidi Amadi? No, it can't be him. It's really him. Chidi Amadi, our old classmate. How did he become a beggar? Wasn't he your boyfriend? That was long ago. We broke up. I don't even remember him. Let me record this. Nobody will believe it. The genius boy from our class is now a beggar. Let's go before he sees us. Okay, let's move.
Life happened. Chairman, the begging period is complete. 1 full month, just as you instructed. A total of 100 people donated? Yes, Chairman. Their identities have all been verified. Pull out their full details. Names, contacts, background, struggles. I want to know who they are.
Chiti, what are you doing here? Why are you begging?
My business failed.
I'm sorry. I wish you didn't have to go through all this.
I was called to work at Dream Chasing Group, but life changed. I remember her. We went to the same school, but we were never close. Do you dislike me now?
Dislike you? How could you think that? You didn't dislike me back in school, though we didn't interact much.
Why would you dislike me now?
I admired you even when we weren't close. You were quiet, but you carried yourself like someone who had a plan. And I won't lie, I liked you.
You liked me? You don't mind, even now that I have nothing?
If you will have me, I don't mind. You can't stay here. I can't just leave you on the street.
Why are her words affecting me like this?